Homer Roofing's been in business for over 20 years, and what sets Homer Roofing apart from our competition is we come to work every day excited to serve our community. We love what we do and we're good at it.
When it comes to the materials that we use, we have been through almost every major manufacturer that there is out there, and we have learned from installations, and also over 20 years of experience, we've been able to see which shingles really do last the longest. Once your roofing project is complete, it's important that you as our customer know that we will back up our work with our own personal warranty. We offer a lifetime workmanship warranty because we know that we have the best installers in the business.
As a small business, we're very proud of our 196 Google reviews. Give us a call today for your free consultation.